How to organize Google Calendar like a pro. Firstly, on your web browser, go to calendar.google.com. Now you will see your calendar just like this. If you have any important events or tasks, you can assign it on different days. To do that, click on any of the day in the calendar. After that, a menu like this will open. You can select event, task or appointment schedule. Right now, I'm gonna select the section task. Here you can set up your time so that Google will notify you, and you can also write a description to make it more clear. After you have done that, click on save. As you can see, our task has been added. You can also click and drag this on any other days. To delete this, you can simply click on it and from the menu, click on trash icon at the top right corner. Now this time, let's add an event. Firstly, set up your title. If you have a frequent monthly or weekly event, you can set that up. To set those kind of frequent events, click on the time option. Here you will see the option does not repeat. Click on it and you can select daily, weekly or monthly. There are also other options available. Click on more options and a different section like this will open. Here you can also select the color of your event. This way you can add different events with different colors. So that's all for today. Thank you.